AI search is expansionary because basically they still see many users are still using Google the same way they always have. If anything, people are actually asking more questions on Google because they're starting to have these new features like AI overviews and AI mode where they can ask longer and deeper questions. So as far as the actual query count on Google, they're seeing more people use Google, but they continue to see people use Google for the same purposes that they always have. If you think about it, Google does a lot of things that LLMs can't do as well, at least yet. Looking up directions to something, looking at maps, looking at pictures, videos. There's all kinds of ways people use Google that LLMs are just not that good at yet. So what they're seeing is that, yes, people still use Google. The metrics are largely the same, but people are starting to use AI as like this expansionary product where it's above and beyond what they would have done Googling for before. Now they're having these deeper conversations and things like that with Gemini and AI modes. And I'm seeing that too. Like I still go to
Right.
Google when I need to use Google for something. But when I want to have those deeper, more like robust conversations, I use LLMs for that.